Picking a roof color in coastal Georgia feels simple. Go light, beat the heat. Right? Not here. Between the brutal summer sun and the coastal humidity, the obvious answer is actually the wrong one. Here's what the science says and the exact shingle we put on our own homes. Start with the heat. On a sunny Savannah afternoon, a conventional dark roof can hit 150 degrees. A reflective cool roof in the same sun stays more than 50 degrees cooler. That difference radiates straight into your attic, your ductwork, and your AC bill. Two numbers decide it: solar reflectance, how much sunlight the roof bounces away, and thermal emittance, how fast it releases the heat it absorbs. Score high on both, and the EP says a cool roof can cut peak cooling demand by 11 to 27%. Now the twist: a cool roof does not have to be white. Cool color shingles use reflective granules that bounce away infrared heat, the part of sunlight you feel but can't see. White roofing reflects 60 to 90% of sunlight, but modern cool color shingles reflect 30 to 60, while looking like a normal, deep, neighborhood-friendly color. Performance without the glare. So why not just go white anyway? One word: algae. Those ugly black streaks on roofs all over Savannah are a living organism, Gloeocapsa magma, and our warm, humid coastal air is its favorite habitat. It feeds, spreads, and stains. And on a white or light roof, every streak shows. On a darker shade, the same growth is far less visible. That's why the pure white strategy backfires here. So the trap looks like this. Pure white beats the heat but shows every streak. Conventional dark hides streaks but bakes your attic. The answer is the middle path: a darker, cool color, algae-resistant shingle. It wins on both fronts. That's exactly why our pick is Atlas Pinnacle Sun. Its 3M cool roofing granules reflect the sun's radiant heat, keeping attics up to 20 degrees cooler, with an estimated 7 to 15% off your cooling costs. And it's a verified cool roof, CRRC rated, meeting California's Title 24, the toughest cool roof code in the country. Its 3M Scotchgard copper granules stop algae before it starts, backed by a lifetime warranty against black streaks. Add HP 42 wide format construction, rated for 130 mile/hour winds, and coastal cool colors like cool sand and cool coastal cliffs. And Talya Roofing installs it as an official Atlas roofing partner. Whatever shingle you choose, verify it. Step 1, get the exact product and color name. Step 2, look it up in the Cool Roof Rating Council directory. Step 3, check the numbers. Solar reflectance of at least 0.25, thermal emittance of at least 0.75. One local note: in Savannah's Historic District, any roof color change visible from the street needs a certificate of appropriateness. Deeper cool color tones usually fit the district's character, but confirm before you commit. And if resale is on your mind, relax. The winning formula is already the safe one. Neutral, deeper tones are what buyers trust. So, darker cool color, algae-resistant, CRRC verified. That's the best roof color for coastal Georgia. Want to see it on your home? Talya Roofing offers free inspections and will bring the samples.